Motility Anywhere offers a utility that will allow you to create a batch entry to write off balances, either by date or amount. Use this tool to write off AR balances that will not be received. Open the Accounting module. Under the Tools menu on the left side of the screen, select the AR Write-Offs option in the Accounts Receivable section. The write-off transaction date will default to today's date. If you need to change this to be a different date, click the small calendar icon. If your dealership has multiple companies, you can choose a single company from the drop-down. This will limit the write-offs to solely that company. In the Write-Off Amounts Under field, enter the amount. Any amount lower than what you enter here will be included in the AR write-off process. In the AR Account Number field, fill in the Accounts Receivable GL account number from which you are looking to write off entries. If your dealership has multiple profit centers, you can choose a single profit center from the drop-down. This will limit the write-offs to owed amounts for that profit center. Enter or select a date if you wish to only write off transactions that were entered before that specific date. You can choose to either write off the entire entity balance or the ending balance. Enter the write-off expense GL account that will be used to balance the transactions. If you are writing off the AR amount for a single entity, enter the entity number. If you wish to email the entity, select the E button. To view the entity's record, click the V button. Once you have filled out the fields as desired, click the Process button. A reference number is automatically generated and displayed when you have completed the write-off steps. After processing, you can view, modify, or delete the transactions.